Good morning, hunters. Welcome, everybody. Wherever you are, we watching the market. Oscar is still down. Yeah, still up. Yesterday, 56%. AMC, we have a great jump yesterday, and the price hit with a rejection. FRC still down. HLBZ still pumping. Viking Therapeutic 3% up. Yesterday we did almost 70%. BRDS jumped from our resistance that we discussed it here on our live or chart analysis update that we did yesterday on the breakout zone. So we got some stocks that we watching. Welcome everybody. Welcome. Bonjour, mon ami, bonjour. Let's bring our list and be ready. Everything goes. We got LOCL. Okay, we didn't see this one. We might have a runner. The idea here, when we look for a stock to trade, we don't have to have a preconceived notion or idea about the stock. Because yesterday, we have this stock, Oscar. I was watching in pre-market, and guess what? I saw like, oh man, this one is a bit expensive. And I already put my alert around the $5.15, but I didn't check it because it said it's really expensive and already jumped. And guess what? It jumped after our resistance over 30%. And we cut this trade here a bit late, around the 6. And the price got rejected around the $6.80 and went down. So we don't want to make the same mistake and let any stock go from us, because there's always opportunity in the market. There's always opportunity. Buenos dias, amigos. Buenos dias, mon ami. Oscar. Great question. Where's the right price to enter? Great question. We got two level of that we have to watch out for is the $5.15 and $6. Not in between. Those two levels should be tested. Support and resistance. So I'm watching Oscar. That's why I put it first, because yesterday 56% and today still up. Yeah, we have kind of big drop from yesterday, almost 18%, but we already did 50%. So this drop is profit taking triggered. But for my opinion, it's still, we have potential to go higher once again. We might have the 7 for today. That's why we always be vigilant. And that's why I'm watching this one, LOCL, a bit cheap, 67, pre-market doing 55%. Local Bounty Corporation. Okay, this is not pharmaceutical. It's not pharmaceutical stock, but there is always a chance to trade some stock that's jumping like this. It's tricky here. It's a bit resistant coming up. There's a resistance for the stock. We might have a test here. Yeah, we might have the test for the $1. Yeah, at least $1.11, then the $1.47. We got some levels. Support 56. Let's see if we got some news. Yeah, we got the financial result for 2022. Seems to me we got a pretty good year for last year. That's why the price jumping 56. Okay, let's put this on our list. Potential trade. Let's check another one. We got another one jumping 35% on 7 million worth of volume. This one look interesting. 34%. 34% barcoding before. Now there's a huge change in volume. We got something here. We might go toward the 27. At the time being, we need to hold current support. Let's check if we got some news here. Yeah, we got offering for this one. Public offering, let me just check here. 22 as a breakout zone, support 16. Let's check how much we can do for this one. 21%. Interesting. Let me just, we got many stocks to watch today, but we're gonna narrow it down after the market open, of course, because we might have this reaction test for this resistance going down below the support. Then we're gonna take this stock as mean is not good. In the meantime, we have to be ready before the market open. Be ready and hungry. Who's hungry to hunt with us? Yeah, last time we discussed, we said patience is the key, and the best man here to trade the stock market, for my opinion, is the fisherman. If you are a fisherman and you're working as and this is your first job, you can make a lot of money here in the stock market. I'm just saying, because fishermen have the best kind of patience. They can sit for hours to catch one fish, and hopefully it's a big fish. Okay, BRDS is still in our list. This one, no light floats. HLBZ, of course. We got this. Let me just check unusual volume here. Okay, we're good to go. We got LGMK, Local Bounty Corporation. This one I forget to make an alert. Yeah, this one always pump and dump. You see what happened here? We have a pump, the price got barcoding for a few days, then pump once again. So we have to be extremely careful with this one. I don't trust it. Let me just check if we break the 82 and see the $1. BRDS is going down to test the support. VKTX, yesterday we hunted this one. If you remember, guys, we hunted this one on this breakout zone. Price continued to go higher. We said there's a potential rejection. Price went down a bit, then continued to go higher. So Viking Therapeutic looking pretty nice, jumping 3%. Yesterday we did 70%. We might see another 70%. Let me just check how much. Yeah, we might see another 70%. Boom. Or 50% at least. Yeah, at least 50%. Interesting. Viking Therapeutic. HLBZ. Interesting reversal. Wow. We got First Republic Bank going back toward the support. This is a great reaction, holding above the 1290. Great reaction. Love AMC Oscar. So yeah, for, First Republic Bank looking interesting play with Viking and HLBZ. Someone wrote something in Chinese, I think. Can you explain, brother? Can you explain what you wrote? Really interesting. I think this is Japanese. You said, what are you doing? We hunting for the market, brother. We hunting for the market. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Yeah, I know this one, Konnichiwa. Because I watch a lot of anime, so I know a lot of words in Japanese. I know Konnichiwa, I know Nani, it's mean like what? And I know another word like Masaka. It's kind of like unbelievable or oh my god. So I know some kind of words, in Japanese. Thanks to the animes. Thanks to the animes. Thank you, brother. I think I have another life in Japan, man. I have to visit Japan. This is on my list. I call it like a different universe. If you travel to Japan, you feel like you travel to another planet. There's a video actually I saw on YouTube. Someone actually shooting Japan street and like under the rain. And it's really peaceful and so clean in the streets. It's like I said, like, oh man, it's kind of anime because you have small houses, the street is really clean, you have the rain, the sound. It's really peaceful, man. Interesting. Okay, so we got many people watching from all over the world, Europe, Asia, America. Interesting. Welcome, brothers. Good morning, Amjad. Are you fasting today? Just from your name, I think you're Arabic. Oh man. Yeah, when I say America, it's mean Canada included, like North America and South America. Of course, Canada, man. Of course, Canada in the heart. Have a lot of friends over there in British Columbia. Of course, Amjad, of course. Let's see what's gonna happen to the market. We got 15 minutes left. 15 minutes left. You see here we got the time here in France is 3:15. So we got just 14 minutes left on the market open. We got let me just go on the Tesla Tesla's gapping up almost 2%. You see what's happening here? We got kind of consolidation and accumulation area. Here, I don't like to trade any stock when we are in accumulation phase. You see this flags form in the big picture for Tesla. So there's something about to happen for Tesla, because once we tested the 200, we got rejected and we entered inside this flag. So now Tesla is about to break this flag and going toward the 217. This would be a really great reaction for this week before we end the trading session on Friday. And we might expect, almost 10% after we clear this level. Yeah, Tesla looking interesting. The SPY looking interesting as well, because we got this resistance to break the 405. I already put my alert. Intel doing all right. We have a drop down from the price, the $30. Now there's a potential for the 3080 breakout zone for Intel. So let me just put alert here for a breakout around the 3080. NEO is going to test the $9.65. So most blue chip company doing all right, and there's a potential change for the market from bearish to bullish. For NEO, we got a new support now around the $8.84, breakout $9.69 or $9.67. AMD pumping today. Yesterday we dumped almost 2%. Not dump, is kind of consolidation, because we got a huge pump here 16th of March. Yeah, we got huge pump. So the price or the market is correcting for the semiconductors. We got Meta as well holding the support, Nvidia. So the market doing all right. The market doing all right for the blue chip company. Baba is still holding. We got a bounce. We got a bounce from the support. Let's see if we broke this for today, 97.85. We might see a continuation for Baba. Yeah, 4%. You know, today we have to be ready to never let any prey go from our trap. No prey. When you try to hunt, you should be ready. Have all the things ready in order to hunt for your prey. Because once the market open, if you're not ready, you'll be scrambling and running around like a chicken with the head cut off. So we have to be ready and never actually be confused. And the most important thing in trading, a lot of people say patience, a lot of people say discipline, but for my opinion is confidence, man. Confidence to enter a trade and exit trade without contemplate if is this the right trade, are we gonna make money or lose money. This overthinking make you lose money actually, because you lose the opportunity to enter at the right price. So yeah, I think confidence is number one in everything in life, like even sport. If you want to you want to put the ball inside the net, you have to have the confidence, you know. If you're hesitant and afraid, you never go anywhere, man, because the other guy who confident enough, he will take your place. In fighting like boxing or whatever, if you have confidence that you're gonna win, you're gonna win, man. Even if you less skilled, or you know, because confidence can give you the push to get what you want. So yeah, sometimes I have less confidence. I have to admit it, man. Sometimes I have less confidence in trade. So this is kind of counterintuitive and paradoxical, because if you don't have a confident trade, this is give you alert or alarm. This is mean that trade is not good, and you never have to take it. So if you don't have a confidence in something, it mean it's not good. It mean get out. You don't have to take it, even if it's good setup, but you don't have confidence. Don't do it. Don't like give a half-hearted way. Go all in. If you want to do something, go all in. Easy said than done, I know. Easy said than done. Okay, we all set. We have our alert for mini stocks. Let me just go back on our list and check. Yeah, we got 8 minutes left. LGMK still below our resistance. You know what I'm gonna do for this one? I'll just put alert down below just in case if we broke it, and just take it off because we are a bit far from the breakout zone. And this one is looking better, so we'll keep it. BRDS, yeah, it looks tricky here. VKTX looking better, so we'll put it first. HLBZ, interesting for this break. Let me just put alert here. Yeah, HLBZ looking interesting. FRC, yeah, looking interesting. AMC still, Love still, Oscar still. So yeah, we got 3 stocks to watch on the open. Let's see if we have some question. Chris. Yeah, Bob, HLBZ looking great for now. Amjad, happy to hear, brother. That's why we do our live streaming, to spread knowledge and at the same time have a community of traders to trade with each other. That's why we do our live streaming. It's better to trade with other traders than trade by yourself, you know. Lamar, is that your Japanese name? I think this is an English name. I think you have a Japanese name and English name, man. I prefer if you put your Japanese name, it would be really cool. Lamar asked about the QQQ. Let me just check. Yeah, it's been a while last time we checked this one. Okay, looking interesting. We have a gap up. I think we discussed this before, while back. Yeah, we discussed this while back around the 300. We said the 300 is kind of psychological level to hold. If we go in big picture, we got this box. Boom. Yeah, we have to test this level 330. Yeah, 330 should be interesting level. In the big picture, we have the 200. Yeah, the 200, 284. And smaller picture, 330. And now we need to break the 313, I think. Yeah. Wow, so for this one, looking really interesting. This is the game plan for this one. We got support, Lamar 303. It's been tested so many times. So we are in accumulation area now. The price is preparing to have a great move toward the 330. So we need to be patient until the price break the 313. Let me just check how much we can do here. Yeah, another 5%. So yeah, 303 is the support. If we broke it, I'm gonna short it. This will be is mean the short seller is adding some position and the price continue to go down. As long as we hold this, is mean really strong, breaking the 313, going toward the 330. Of course, yeah, I forgot. I have to put it in green. Yeah, Oscar still going down. We might see a test for the $5.15. Already put my alert here for a potential reversal on this dip. 515 or $5.15, not 500. HLBZ, we gonna have first breakout around this level, 1450. Now we have to hold the 1250 and the 1628. Yeah, 1628 should be first profit taken. We already did chart analysis for HLBZ, I think. AMC, Oscar, AMC. I don't know, but we did for BRDS, yeah, for yesterday hunt. So yeah, BRDS, yeah, HLBZ we did pre-market update for it. However, BRDS we discussed it yesterday, and we said there's a breakout will happen around the 20 market close, and we got this huge jump. Now going down. Yesterday we did 32%, now 14%. In pre-market we did 35% when the pre-market open. Now it's going back to test the support. So this is reaction would be really great. If we hold this, we're gonna have a reversal. So BRDS looking good. We got BRDS, this one not now. AMC still holding. This is good. Okay, we got 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left for the opening bell. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. I know, brother, almost 100 people watching and just 27 likes. We always say this. Usually traders focusing on trading and not liking the video. So I think we're gonna do before that, we have to do something like not trading but playing music or something. So this is actually make people relax and like the video. But when we talk about stocks, a lot of people tense and stress, because they want to make money. They forget to like the video. So this is normal. So we might do another or before the live streaming we have to play some music, play some guitar or something, change the things up. While we watching for the stocks, we play some music, Dave, do you have a suggestion for Windows stock? Whatever, if you use Windows or Mac, there's no difference. You just use TradingView platform. That's what I'm using. Okay, the market is open. The market is open. Let's see. Oscar is pumping, guys. This is really crazy. Oscar is pumping. We're gonna have a test right now for Oscar toward the 6. If we get rejected, we're gonna go down. So now is a bit risky for Oscar. AMC still love, still BRDS, FRC, HLBZ going down. So BRDS looking good. BRDS looking good. Still holding this bottom. We might see a pump now for BRDS. If we hold the 2078 would be great. Yeah, it's pumping. Let's see if we actually break. Yeah, BRDS looking good. Yeah, BRDS looking good. Let me just, there was small, oh man, you, wait a second, why I can't actually buy BRDS? I think, let me just try with small. Okay, I think, I think there's a bit of issue with my broker, because the first minute take a bit of time to have the stock from America to be potentially traded, you know. So it will take a bit, a few minutes in order to have will be available, but this is will give us not the opportunity to enter at the right price. Anyway, so the price is pumping. Now we're gonna have a test after we break the 24. Yeah, the 25 should be kind of a breakout toward the 29. Let's see. Oscar, yeah, is going down, of course. It's risky. Oscar is risky now to enter. Yeah, it's really risky because we got rejected. We might see a continuation now toward the 5. If we broke the $5.50, we're gonna go toward the 5. FRC, HLBZ, VKTX is testing our support, the 1528. FRC, oh man, FRC is pumping. FRC is officially pumping. Okay, FRC is pumping, guys. FRC is officially pumping. And love is pumping as well. So we got BRDS is still struggling. Let me just put this alert here. Yeah, we might see a breakout here, 25, yeah. So this is a resistance now. And 2070 should be our support for BRDS. FRC, we have a breakout and holding now. FRC looking good. FRC looking good, guys. Holding the 1366. Let's see a continuation for FRC at least here, 1444. Okay, VKTX is bumping. BRDS, love, AMC, no. Oscar is no. So we have FRC, we got VKTX. Yes. Okay, VKTX looking good. We have to hold above the 1528. Profit taken is 1644. FRC expecting price to test the 14 now. We need the 14 to test. 14. FRC is doing all right, guys. FRC is pumping. FRC toward the 14 and then the 15. A lot of you not trusting FRC now, because every time we have a pump, we have a dump. Yeah, I can understand, because we pumped from the bottom. Now it's going down. Okay, we have to have a reversal now. It's not good to break the 1366. Need a continuation, at least around the 1414. 1390, 1388. We need another pump. Yeah, it's pumping. Okay, we're doing all right for FRC. We held the 1366. Let me just go in smaller picture to see. Yeah, looking good. Remember, guys, the 15 is the most important level to break for FRC to have a squeeze. VKTX looking good toward the 1645. HLBZ not good. BRDS not good. Love, low on volume. AMC, Oscar, okay, looking good. Oscar looking good. So put Oscar down with the FRC and Viking. So Oscar, the $6.06 will be a breakout. Will be a confirmation for another pump for Oscar. I'm watching closely Oscar for the $6.06. FRC still looking good, and Viking still looking good. Okay, Viking still looking good, guys. Okay, we still, okay, still in the money. Let's see. For Viking, going toward the 1645 for the first profit taken. FRC looking good as well, guys. Oscar is getting near the $6.06. So we have 3 stocks to watch. This one will be really interesting. Take the $6.06 and going toward this level, the $6.37. Okay, let's see a test now. Oscar, FRC looking good as well. Okay, Oscar. Wow, test for the 6 and get rejected. TRKA hit our scan. What a day. TRKA hit our scan. Yeah, it's going down, not good. So Oscar and FRC, okay, getting rejected right around near the resistance. However, Oscar, man, the $6.06, this is it. You see what's happening here? Huge rejection happened. Let me just put it this. Yeah, zero. Interesting. Let me just put it around the $6.09. Oh man, this is it now for Oscar and for FRC. Both of them looking good, guys. Going down a bit. Let's see a pullback for FRC. Oscar, Viking. Okay, so FRC looking good, guys. FRC, I'm looking for this resistant break, the 1436, to go toward the 15. It's gonna be, until now we don't have 5-minute pullback. We don't have 5-minute pullback, so it's good. Let's check LN. Oh man, this one's breaking, but it's kind of risky, this one. This one is kind of risky. Let's stay on FRC and Oscar. Okay, Oscar, let me just bring another support for Oscar. Let me just bring, boom. We got a support here. If we hold it, is mean game on. Let's see if we entered here, how much we can lose. 2%. Okay. Oscar, FRC, which one? So we got FRC is gonna break now. FRC is gonna break. First level. Okay, breaking. Let's put alert here. So yeah, FRC looking really great now, going toward the 15. Yeah, Oscar is about to pump as well. Light volume on Oscar. We got a bit light volume. Man, short is still there. FRC is still looking good. No 5-minute pullback. We expect a lot of turbulence here. 15. This should be a huge selling pressure. I'm watching for a pullback. Oh, we expecting pullback. Oscar is about to pump any minute now. We got support around the $5.80, resistance around $6.07. We got huge short here, still shorting Oscar. That's why we watching for a clear break to enter. Okay, Viking is not looking good. We had the try to break the 15. Price went down to test the support once again, the 15.28. So if we broke this level, is kind of bad. Will be really bad. To break this level is mean a weakness. Let me just check. Oscar is still looking good. and First Republic Bank is still good. Yeah, still pumping, guys, still pumping. Yeah, the squeeze will be around the 15 now. The squeeze actually started around the 1366, but now we have a resistance coming up around the 1508. This is will be halt potential, guys. This is it. Okay, this one is almost game over. Yeah, it's game over. So we'll close this trade. Really bad, this one. Not good. It's gonna go down now. Let me just put another alert down. Yeah, we didn't hold the 1528, so it's better to close it. Oscar is still $6 breakout zone. FRC potential resistant now around the 1508. So this where we're gonna have a potential reversal down. Let's see what's gonna happen here. This is really critical. First level of resistance, then the 1675. Yeah, we got so many level of resistance. The short are adding huge position at so many levels. We might see the first 5-minute pullback. Let's see. Yeah, we got 19 seconds for this candle to close. It's good if we have a pullback now. Yeah, it's good. We need a pullback at least around the 14. Yeah, we have a pullback now. Let's see a pullback once again. Another pullback here around the 14.19 would be good. Oscar's going down, this going up. HLBZ, BRDS. What's going on with Baba? Wow, Baba is pumping. Baba is pumping. Yeah, we might see another test for the 99 and going higher. Yeah, we're expecting a new high for Baba for today. Let's Let me just put Baba here. Yeah, now FRC have to have a pullback. We got to have a pullback because we kind of overextended a bit. Oscar's going to test the $5.80. As we said, the $6.07 is the short sellers where are hiding. Okay, Baba is really pumping really good. FRC is going down, guys. FRC is going down as expected. So Baba, if it broke if we saw the 100 for Baba for today, this is would be game on toward the 101. Okay, FRC is going down. Oscar is still in midway. FRC, guys, is pulling back. Okay, it's pulling back. We might see the first red candle, 5-minute red candle. We got 1 minute 45 seconds for this one to close red. We got a huge wick here. Okay, so this is normal because we get near the resistance, the 15. As we said, the 1508 is a potential resistant. And Baba is still going higher. So it's back to 5%. Let me just check how much we can do here. 3%. Yeah, yesterday we did more than that. So let's see if we have a continuation for Baba. Of course. FRC still holding. Oscar, we might see a drop now. HLBZ, BRDS. AMC is kind of dead now. I'll take it from the list. Love as well, light on volume. I don't like this reaction here. I'll take it from the list. BRDS. Yeah, in midway. HLBZ in midway. So yeah, we have to watch Oscar and FRC. Yeah, Oscar have potential. Really have potential. Baba have potential as well. If we broke this level, the 99.50, you see what's happened? We got yeah, the first red candle. Yeah, the 15 was a resistant. 15 was a resistant, but still we a bit far from the support. That's why we might see like a loading up. We might see the price go down to load up, then continue to go higher once again. So let me lower this here. Put alert there. Yeah, then we got the 1580 and the 1674 or 75. Yeah, we got some levels to test now. Man, Oscar is struggling, man. Struggling to break. Boxed is going down big time. Yeah, not good for Boxed. Baba looking interesting play for today. Mulan is still below, guys. Yeah, it's still low. We have to watch out for the 18 cent. Not now. On the other hand, Baba looking really juicy for today. We got a great bounce from the bottom, going toward the 100 mark. FRC going down to reload. Yeah, Baba is still pumping. Yeah, Baba is pumping officially. Well, FRC is still going down. So we have to watch out for this level of support around the $14 or the 1366. Yeah, we got rejected right below our resistance, the $15. Why Exilla is pumping? Great question. This is not a pump, guys. 4% is nothing. This one is not ready. Light volume for today. We don't have action. Still accumulating sideways. Yeah, VKTX got chopped up here. We got chopped up here. The price actually reversed from the bottom. Yeah, we have a huge wick on the 5-minute. That's why the price actually pumped after we sold actually around the 1528. So yeah, this is was really tricky. You see what's happened here? This candle, man, those insiders, they chopped a lot of people up here and the price actually went higher. So if we go on a 5-minute, yeah, we saw a huge wick and the price actually reversed. Now it's going toward the 1645 for VKTX. Yeah, it was really tight. It was really tight bounce here from this trade around the 1525 or 1528. Yeah, going toward the 1545 and then the 1812. Wow, Oscar is about to bump. What's going on here, man? What's going on? Yeah, light float here. This is it for Oscar. Yeah, we got a breakout. We got breakout, guys, for Oscar. Now is going toward the $6.37. We need the $6.37 for Oscar. Wow, Baba's pumping once again. Oscar, Oscar, Oscar. We need the $6.37. $6.16. Come on, what you waiting for? Baba is still going down. Oscar. What a tricky day, man. Yeah, we need to pump. $6.15. Oscar breaking the 607. As we said, we need the $6.37. Let's see a pump. 3.700 million. I don't know how much the volume was yesterday. I think it was much bigger. We need a pump, like happened for FRC. And Baba's doing alright, guys. We're gonna go toward the 101. We're gonna go toward the 201. Let me just put it there on the 101. Wow. Okay, Oscar today have really light volume. That's why when we break any resistance, we don't have a continuation and the price is still struggling. See what's happening here? Undecision still. You know, I don't like to trade those kind of stocks. We should have actually go toward this level. HLBZ. Oh man, it's not good. Breaking the support. Not good. Not good for HLBZ now. BRDS as well going down. VKTX doing alright. Oscar kind of doing alright. We need to be patient. FRC, Baba. Yeah, kind of market undecision now. Look at this, man. Look. Accumulation. We have a huge accumulation here. Why? It means the huge short sellers still try to short Oscar, but Oscar is still strong because you know why? We broke the 6. This is really important level to hold. If we held it, game on for Oscar. Really game on. Now is game on. We have a bit of pump. $6.15. We need a pump now. Yeah, $6.16. We need a huge pump now. $6.16. We need $6.25. We need a pump. Wow, the volume is picking up. It's almost around 6 million. This is good. Hopefully it's buying pressure, not selling pressure. I'm telling you, man, this is undecision. Still undecision. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 1-minute candles accumulating over the 6. What a crazy stock. You see what's happening here? Okay, VKTX is still bumping. Oscar still going up and down. I think this is algo trading, guys. You see what's happening? He buy here, sell there, buy here, sell there, buy here, sell there. This is algo trading, guys. They make a million by doing this. You know? And you know that algo trading is been held by big hedge funds, you know? So they controlling the price in small range. They buy and sell, buy and sell. Okay, we have a pump. Finally. We need a continuation now. A huge wick. Okay, Oscar. We held above the 6. Now we need the $6.37. Let's see level 2. This is really crazy. Yeah, it's really bad. This is really bad. Okay, FRC is going down, really down. Baba is still accumulating. You know, now we have to be patient because the market is kind of drawing back. You see, we got BRDS going back to the support. We got Oscar breaking the support that we broke before. Not looking good because, as we said, this is a weakness, man. See what's happened here? A test and a wick and the price went down now. Manipulation, man. This is really bad. Not good reaction. Even if we went up, I will not take the trade anymore. I don't have trust for the trade anymore. Let me just put this level here, $6.37. Yeah, this level is not good anymore because we broke it. I will watch for the $6.37 instead. The support is still around the $5.81. Okay, BRDS. Is this the bottom, guys? 2078. This is it. If we have this level of support, it will be game on for BRDS. It will be really game on. 5%, yeah. This is it for BRDS. Okay, BRDS is moving. Neo hit our scan. How much we did? 5% for Neo. Wow, finally we have a good pump for Neo, 5%. We might see the 10. Yeah, Baba's still doing alright. So Baba talking about the split. That's why. Yeah, BRDS. We might see a test for the 25 now. Yeah, Oscar is gonna go down. FRC, we might have a reversal now after all. From the bottom. The 1366. BRDS 25 is a resistant. As we said, the 2078 is the bottom. Price reverse from there, and we are already 10% up. So yeah, as we had here some news, Alibaba stock could double over its split plan. There are even more reason to like it now. Interesting. So that's why a lot of people buying Baba now. We got split coming up. Everybody knows what happened to Tesla when we have the split. The price actually went down after the split, then went parabolically up after that. GameStop is still not moving. Let's check the top gainer for today. We got this one, light volume, AMBI. This one have a pullback toward the support. We got ARCT. BBio, it's pumping 18%. The top loser for today is BRQR, yeah, pharmaceutical company. We got the other one, Bluebird. This one, that one, Loco. They are dead technically, there's no volume. Right, it's pumping 12%. After a huge dump down, we jumped up today 12%. Interesting. GNS, yeah, jumping and then dumping. 9% now. Huge dump down. You see what happened here for GNS? We got a huge wick near our resistance. We already drew this resistance before. We said that $2.73 should be a resistance, a breakout zone. See what happened? The price actually got tested just below the $2.73 and got rejected. Let me just check how much we did before this sell off. Wow, we were almost 25% up. Now we give all the profit back. Not good. Ismin is still heavily shorted. Wow. Let me just put here as a support. That's why we didn't check GNS, because it didn't hit our price level. FRC, hopefully this is it. The 1366 should be our support for today to have a pump. And Baba is going up, Oscar's going down, VKTX getting near this breakout zone. This is it. It was our profit taken and of course squeeze area. BRDS doing all right. Slow and steady for both of them. Let's check the other stock. Wow, Tesla's going back down. Nvidia as well, Meta, AMD. I think Lucid as well. Wow, yeah, Lucid getting hammered big time. Someone shorting. Wow. Intel doing all right, 4%. So someone shorting all the stocks now. Yeah, there's some shorting now all the stocks except Intel. So Intel always do the opposite. GME, Baba, Love. Yeah, the market is pulling back a bit. We got Neo, got rejected again. Let's see if we break this time. So let's go back and see FRC, yeah, doing all right now. BRDS. Okay, so FRC is still accumulating from below. A new IBO. John have a new IBO. He said it's pumping now. We got two, I think. Yeah, this one. Yeah, I think we already covered in our pre-market today for both of them. LGMK. We had, yeah, the price went until the 25, almost the profit taken. Now it's going down. So yeah, we kind of get there now. Yeah, we got some levels here. 25.50. We might have power hour for this one. 25.50. And the other one, $9, is a bit expensive. Yeah, this one, IBO, new IBO for this. It's going toward the 10. Yeah, we already tested the $10. We might hit with a huge, massive rejection here. Going back to test the 6 once again. We got another support here, $8.40. So it would be really great if we have a rejection here, retest the 8, then continue to go higher. So the 10 should be a rejection now. Otherwise, we're gonna have another pump. Luis, ERAS. Why you bought this stock? Let me just check this one. Ah, it was pumping. Hmm. You see what you're doing, Luis? You pick the stock that actually pumped already. So let me just check this one. Yeah, it was 16%. You bought around the tip here and price went down. So let me just check if we had something going on. Yeah, big, huge wick. Still in big picture, big trending down, you see. So those stocks, usually when they pump, they dump down because they're still heavily shorted. So watch out, Luis, for the come future. Don't buy stocks jumping while they are actually in the downtrend. Is bad news, you know. Those stocks are bad news. So those stocks are bad news, but we might have another breakout. So next time, if you want to buy this stock, buy it over the $3.30, and this will give you some room to take profit and ride this one until the $3.70. So this is how you manage to take profit from those stocks, is by getting early. And how we can get early is by getting ready. And how we can get ready, we have to draw our levels before the market go there. So for this one, Luis, if you want to buy once again, $3.30 should be an interesting play. Is mean another squeeze. Otherwise, you don't touch it, you know. Let me just check how much we can do from here. Yeah, 6% and 12% after we break this level. So now I will not touch it. I will take it from the list. This one is going toward the 10. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll put alert for the $8.40. If we have a drop for the price, will be great reversal and bottom to buy at. This one already put my alert down and below. For Baba is still holding. For FRC still holding. Oscar as well. KTX got rejected finally around the 1640. We might see a drop down for the price now. BRDS still holding. So BRDS looking good. BRDS looking good. Okay, FRC doing something interesting. Okay, let's see. We're not ready yet for FRC. BRDS is accumulating. We have accumulation here. You might see a pump. So BRDS looking interesting. Let's see. Support is around the 2078. Another support is here. 22 would be great if we held this level of support. First profit taken and potential resistance around the 2488. Okay, it's pumping. Let's see a continuation toward the 2488. BRDS 23. AMC hit our scan. Let's bring AMC here. Okay, AMC is game over for today. We broke the $4.92. We struggled yesterday. We already pumped here. You see, we held perfectly above our support. We went higher. Today we didn't do a new high. Price went down. Now it's testing our AMA. There's a potential huge dump down if we don't hold. So this is the first alert. First alert for weakness. Let me just put alert and forget about AMC. I'll put this alert around yeah, around the $4.30. It's mean a sell-off. The time being, let us watch the stocks that still have potential for today. Oscar is bumping now. VKTX BRDS is getting near the squeeze area. But you know what, Oscar, I don't trust it anymore now. I don't trust it, man. We have unusual algo trading here. Price went down, up and down from the resistance. Now it's pumping once again. Okay, so we'll be on sideline to watch what's gonna happen. Are we gonna go toward the $6.37 this time or not? Okay, BRDS getting near. Whoa, what's going on? We have a hidden seller, I think. $100, $500, they added some more. Getting near the resistance. This is a critical area for BRDS to have a squeeze. Okay, buying pressure. You might see huge volatility now for BRDS because we're getting near the short place, the 2488. FRC getting shorted big time. We have a new resistance now around the 1438. BRDS is pumping. Okay, the short seller is afraid now because they had a huge position. They try to short BRDS before the resistance. They know there's something about to happen. They knew there's something about to give. Yes, BRDS is about to squeeze, guys. 2475. Yes, we have a bit of pullback. This is it now. This is it for BRDS. If we broke this level, we're gonna have a huge pump toward the 26 and toward the 29. Huge pump. Let me just check. Yeah, 7 and 17%. Now it's 26%. Yeah, pumping, good. Alert, breaking, 25. Okay, this is great. Let's see a pump over this level. Holding. We don't want to have a flush, okay? This is really important. We don't want to have a flush here. This is really critical, the 25. We went until the 25, yeah, and we got rejected. 25 is the resistance. But we don't have a huge flush. Still holding. The bottom was around the 2078. We already discussed in our pre-market update for today. We discussed many stocks for today in our Discord and Patreon. Yeah, for today market, Wednesday pre-market update. BRDS was on the list. And guess what? We got rejected. 25 is our resistance. We might see a retake. If we have a retake now, is mean a squeeze. If we went down, is mean the short won the game. So this is it now. 24.98 or around the 25 cents should be the squeeze. Should be the squeeze to go at least 26.88 first, and then the 29.36. You know what I'm gonna do here? I will put another alert around the 25 and watch. If we hit the 25 once again, game over for the shorts. Oscar VKTX. Yeah, it's going down, this one. We could actually short it from here down to there, but I will wait to see. Okay, BRDS is about to break, guys. BRDS is about to break. 25. Come on, breaking the 25 now. This is it. BRDS. Oh man, the shorts. Let me just check level 2. Wow, 6k, man. 6k. He hidden seller around the 25. Wow. Still adding 26k. Okay, the short have to cover, guys, here. That's why we have a huge selling pressure. You see what happened? Boom, it bought back. Wow, what an action here, guys. Big action here. This is it. We might have a squeeze. The shorts are really running to add some shares. They're running naked now. They don't have shorts. They don't have any clothes. Shorts are running. They cover up now. They cover up. That's why they fighting. 24.98, man. 6k worth of shorts. I'm telling you. Now there's 8k. There's big buying pressure happening from below, man. There's something about to happen here. Interesting play. Interesting. There's a potential squeeze now. This is it. This is the game, man. This is it. We don't want to have a flush. This is it. 25 should be the squeeze. $25. Come on. BRDS. Let's see the 26.88. Oh man, the short is still adding. You see what's happening here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 tests. Price got rejected. But we don't have a flush down. This means someone buying from the bottom. And we might have the squeeze now. This is it. BRDS for the squeeze toward the 26.88 and the 29 cents. Oh man, the short has won the game now. Yeah, they still adding. Still game on. Still game on. It's not over, guys. It's not over yet. 24.98. Okay, BRDS is still try to break the 24.98. Okay, now we might have our breakout. Rick Brown, ARCT. We're watching DRDS or PRDS now. ARCT, I will put it on the list here. 22% up. Interesting. But we already got sold off today. This one is tricky because we got sold off. I will watch for the 19 for another power hour, but not below. If we broke the 19, we might have another squeeze. Yeah, we might see the 22 next time, but now below the 19 is not looking good. 19.29 to be exact. Man, I'm telling you, there's something about to happen now for this one. I'm still waiting for a huge pump. I'm still waiting because the price is accumulating. It's not giving up, and the short adding almost 6k worth of short. Okay, 2480. Now, are we gonna break? Now or never. Where's the hidden seller? Where's the hidden seller? Okay. Now, are we gonna have a break? 25. 25, man. 25. 25. Okay, we have a bump. Okay, great. Pump. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Now or never. We need 26.88 now. Yeah, 25. Great. Let's see another pump. 25.65. 26. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 26. 26. Great. 26.88. It's pumping. It's pumping all right. Okay. 26.88. Let's see another pump. BRDS on the move. It's not over, guys. It's not over. A bit of struggle here. Really interesting play now. Testing the breakout zone. If we held, we're gonna have a continuation toward the 26.88 cents. We don't want to break the 25. We almost broke it here. 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mhm. New high, we did a new high around the 26.29. Just a test. فرج الكوم أحسنت. Welcome, brother. You have to speak English, not Arabic here. Okay, 25.89. 26.88 will be hit very soon. Already held above the 25. Target 29. The target is still around the 29. The massive resistance. But the first one is around the 26. 26.88. Yeah, we have a huge accumulation here. It means there's a big short, still shorting BRDS. Louise, yeah, this is a good test drive. It's like you're practicing, you know. The best training actually for big athlete, they train in their mind. So before boxing competition or running competition, you could actually do the training in your head. The same in trading, you know. You can actually pretend that you're trading at the same time you practice. At least to control your emotion and taking profit and holding the support. So it's good, Luis. It's not a joke, but you can take it as a mental exercise. BRDS, now or never. We need to have a pump now. 26.88, first profit taken. This will be a great pump here. 26.30. Let's go. 26.32. Another challenge here. We should have popped up. We have to have a pump like this. $26, $24. Come on. Where's the balls? We need to have a pump. Yeah, the short seller still holding their lines. They're still holding. Oscar still FRC. Baba is pumping once again. VKTX, BRDS. Yeah, BRDS, we're waiting for a break. This is a resistant and profit taking, just in case you don't know or you just came in now. This is should be a support. 25, 26. Yeah, now might have a pump after all. Yeah, we're missing a bit here, 2%. Everything can goes. Yeah, okay, we're pumping 26.30. Okay, let's try to take profit here. Come on. Yeah, let's take a profit around this. Wait a second, it's almost there, man. It's almost there. Yeah, 26. Okay, 26.65, 26.69. Yeah, come on, 26.70, 72, 88. Come on, hit there. Yeah, 27.670. We almost hit it, man. Okay, 26.76. Boom, 28. Now we're gonna hit it. Now we're gonna hit it. Come on, come on. We need to hear the sound of the bell. Okay, getting rejected. I think I'm gonna take profit here before the rejection. Yeah, close. Okay, so now this is a turning point. You see what's happened here? Huge selling pressure will open here. This will be a trigger, guys. Let me just put orange, because here where we're gonna get rejected big time. 26.88. So now this is a turning point. That's why we see a bit of drawback a bit toward the 29. So this is it, guys. BRDS is about to break or get sold off around the 26.88. Okay, now it's breaking 26.88, going toward the 29, man. Okay, so this should be the profit taken. The next one, 29.36. Okay, still testing, still testing. We need to close this green candle over this level of resistance. We might have a wick now. 26.90 is a testing area. So we hit it after all. 26.88, now around the 27. Great. BRDS 39%. Doing all right. Doing all right. We got this stock. We cut this stock from the bottom. As we said, when the market opened, it was around here, the 26. Price went down, and we suggest the bottom and support to reverse is the 20. We enter over this support, the 22. Price profit taken around the 26.88. Now we have a bit of rejection because this is a resistance. Still testing. You see what's happening here? Still testing area. VKTX. It's not good now because, yeah, 1640 is our profit taken and resistant. We already got chopped out here. We exited here. The price have a wick and went up. For Oscar, not good. Yeah, not good. You see what's happened? Still going down and up and down. FRC will wait for it, maybe in power hour. Baba is doing all right because we have a split. Watch out, guys. We have a split for Baba. That's why the price is continue to go higher. Let me just put alert here for support and resistance. Yes, a great suggestion and advice from Ali. It's easy said than done, Ali, to be emotionless without emotion. We are human being. We have emotion. The idea is to trade and disconnect from your P&L. So because a lot of trader be emotional because they actually kind of emotional. They check their P&L and see if they're up or down. If they're green, they will be happy and kind of their emotion will be kind of affect them. Even if you're happy, will be affected, because any stock you see go up, you'll be in like positive mode and you think that the price will go up like that the other stock that went up. If it's down, you'll be like angry and all the stocks is go down on you. So either happy or good or even sad is not good. That's why people said have poker face. What's mean poker face is mean they don't have emotion. This is taken from the poker game, So if you have poker face, is the perfect situation. Or if you are a poker player, man, you'll be the best trader. And I think if you are a poker player and a fisherman, both at the same time, you be patient as a fisherman and have no emotion as a poker player. Oh man, you'll be the best trader in the world, No emotion. And at the same time, you have patience. Game over for the market. The market maker will lose their money. Wow, Baba is going, guys. I'm telling you, Baba is going to the heavens. Baba is going to the heavens. Buy. Run, buy. You know what? Let me just put Baba toward the 101. FRC is going down. Oscar is going down as well. VKTX, BRDS. Aha. See with me what's happened. BRDS got rejected right around our resistance. That's why we took our profit and exited. It's risky, guys, here. Now we're still holding the support. This is good for the 25 cent. And yeah, great trade for BRDS. VKTX, it wasn't good trade because we got chopped up around this candle, man. This candle, man. This candle got us out from the trade. It was perfect trade because we entered around this area. Price went around our profit taken after we exited. So this is a learning experience. I'm gonna study this trade truly today. I'm gonna do you know what I'm gonna do? I will do it here right now in front of you guys. So usually I will put the trade like this. When I journal my trade, I just make it really simple. I will say here, I will say I got in, and there I got out. You see? Got.
Yes.
Okay, go sleep. Got out. Perfect. So I just put this levels, you see? Got in, got out. So I just put this and go on this camera. I put copy link to the chart image, and then you know what I'm gonna do? I will go and maybe I will show you guys what I'm doing, because I always journal my day each day, and I do something like this. I put in the notepad, and yeah, go here, improvement, journaling. Perfect. So today is the 27th. Today is the 29th, yeah, 29th. You know what I'm gonna do? I will add something. No, okay, I will put it down. Windows. Yeah, let me just bring that. Yeah, perfect. You see what's happening here? So I put my journaling of March 2029, and I just type like this. I will say first stock that I traded, let's say VKTX stock, and I say I traded that stock on my live streaming, and I got in over the support, but I got tricked by fake out, and okay, fake out at 1 minute short, and I got out, but the price reversed. Wait a second. And after I sold, because I didn't waited to see if the price hold over 5 minutes short, then the price went to my profit taken, and I took my loss. And then I put my short. Oh no. Then I will go back. I will put copy link short. I put the short. So this is usually I do journaling. I write how the trade goes, then I put the chart link, exactly where I get in and where I go out, and this is make it easier for me to know what I did wrong and what I did right. So this is a good example how to journal your trade and at the same time to learn from your mistakes, you know. Here, this is a good example and a good lesson. I paid for this lesson in order to never let this problem happen once again. And of course, I know this kind of problem. I know this this situation. I know this problem. I should have actually gotten into it because I didn't focus, you know, on higher time frame. Yeah, so this is the mistake I always usually do. The most important thing is to write it down, put the picture so you never do it again. So this is a good example and a good lesson, an expensive lesson to actually learn, but it's a good lesson anyway. BRDS. You know, when you say daddy is like, I think about bad stuff, man. Janine and Johnny, really funny. ARCT. Okay, BRDS is still holding. VKTX. Oscar is going down. FRC. Let me just bring, BRDS. Yeah, BRDS was good trade. BRDS was good trade. So, okay, I would say, boom, got in here. Got out. Copy, boom. So this trade is for BRDS. Who's actually do journaling? Like journal your day or journal your trade. Is anybody do as I do? I started do journaling my days almost 2 years ago now. Each day I never stop. Each day I have to write what I have done, my emotion, what I met, what that interesting thing that I did for me or for others every day. And now I added journaling my trade. Great. Okay, Baba is bumping. Baba is bumping, going toward the 101. HEPS. Finally, we have a pump for this stock over the $1.30. We have a breakout. Breakout, guys. Breakout for this stock. $1.30. Okay, we might see the $1.58 now. 19%. Let me just check the volume on this one. Yeah, light volume. I don't like to trade this one because it's easily manipulated. We might see a fake out. You know what I'm gonna do? I will put alert just in case below the $1.25 and another one toward the $1.58 for this stock, HEPS. How many trade I do a day? So this is dependent on the market. Sometimes I don't trade because we don't have good setup, and sometimes I trade over 5 or 10 stocks. So it depends on the market. It's not depends on me. You know, if there's big opportunities in market, I have to be extremely volatile. You know, because sometimes I don't trade because the market is really bad. You know, either in the downtrend or back uptrend. Is like trend the market is really bad to trade at. Dave, great. Dave is doing journaling. And Reposon do a journal on Excel sheet, spreadsheet. Great, man. What is the subscription level to trade the trading view is a good start. Okay. You can start with the first one if you like, because you have good alerts, you got many things you can actually play with. So let me just show you so for me, I'm having the premium at the moment. So if we go here, we see that we got the Pro, Premium, and Pro, Normal Pro. So Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium. For me, I have the Premium because you get 25 indicators, and the Pro you get 5. Here you get 8 chart layout in one layout. You get 8 chart at the same time. You get unlimited safe chart layout, and at the same time you get alerts that don't expire. So this one is really important, guys. Here, alert never expire. What does mean never expire? So when I put alert for any stock, let's say, let me just go back here. We got mini alert. So BRDS. Oh man, BRDS got shorted big time. You see what's happened? That's why we said take your profit. Take your profit, brothers. So we took our profit here. The price went down. And it's not good because we broke the 25. So before I forget, I will put another alert for BRDS because we got shorted. I will put it here around this AMA. Anyway, you see what happened here? We have 199 alert. Imagine. So any alert here, there's time, man. There's time. Let me just put an BRDS. You see here? There's time and expiration we have here. Here, expiration. We can see that I could put it unlimited, open-ended alert. So here, this is really important. I just put it an open-ended alert. What does mean? Is mean never expired. So if the price actually accumulate here for years, okay, and the price get alerted after 1 year, the price is squeezed for the stock, I will be alerted anyway. But if you have this level, the pro, the price will you don't have unlimited like the alert will expire. Okay, for this one, let me just check here. Yeah, I think there's 3 months or something. So for a pro, the alert will be expired. For a Pro Plus as well will be expired. For a Premium, never be expired. This is the most important thing for me. You get 400 alert and at the same time never expire. So this is good in order to get alerted if the stock is squeezed after 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. You forget about it, but after 5 months you be alerted and you enter for the trade. So this is really important for the alert side. Otherwise, if you don't like care about the alerts so much, even the Pro, you can actually start with Pro because you get 5 indicators, 2 short for 40 active saver side alert. So yeah, even the Pro is good, but the Premium is better if you want to take your trading skills to the next level. I prefer the Premium because I'm using the Premium as a trading view. I don't use the Procash account because it's not effective and it's not as the trading view. That's why I'm using trading view and trading at the my Procash account. So I do my analysis on trading view and I trade on my broker. Okay, so now the market is on the downside, kind of, at least. So we have to end our live streaming now because the market is still downside, in the downside, except for BABA. Yeah, BABA will have another pump. But in the meantime, guys, we're gonna do live stream as well for tomorrow, of course. And wait a second, let me just check. Yeah, for tomorrow we're gonna do live streaming. Today we're gonna do update for the stock that we hunted for today, and for tomorrow hunt because we have to update our levels for BRDS and VKTX, FRC. And if there's a breakout or a change in the chart, we're gonna do chart analysis update as we did before. On the day trade channel here on TradingView, we did for BRDS yesterday on the breakout on the 2078. It was a really great hunt, even for today. VKTX as well, great hunt from the 15 until the 1645. We had this profit taken today and the price went down. So yeah, we're gonna do short analysis update here and our pitch on, of course. So stay tuned for those updates after we finish our live stream. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next update.